In just about every restaurant in the world, you can find balsamic vinegar. But buyer beware, because most of the time what you are consuming is not indeed Aceto Balsamico di Modena Tradizionale, which in fact is the label that guarantees the quality. And consider that here at the ACETAIA Villa Bianca, just outside of Modena, they make one of the best balsamic vinegars. And let's discover what is behind this extraordinary gastronomical product. And what most people forget is that the primary ingredient of balsamic vinegar is right here. It's the grape. And it's a type of grape that's grown here in the province of Modena, generally Trebbiano grape, which is the primary ingredient used to create the grape juice from which the balsamic vinegar is made. After the grapes are harvested and pressed, which usually takes place around the month of September, although with climate change, it's getting a little earlier every year, they are put here into this big stainless steel vat, kept for no more than 15 days before the fermentation process begins, and then they're cooked in here at about 85 degrees Celsius. That's about 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 days. And it's the primary ingredient of balsamic vinegar, cooked grape juice. The most important space is the ACETAIA itself, which is the vinegar cellar. And unlike a wine cellar, which is usually located in the basement where you can keep humidity and temperature constant, a vinegar cellar is located up in the attic, where the temperature can reach extremes of 0 degrees in the winter and 100 degrees in the summer. And what you see behind me is this arrangement of casks where the balsamic is actually stored, beginning with the larger, where 6-year-old balsamic is put inside, and then yearly moved into smaller and smaller containers until reaching the smallest, which contain either at least 12-year-old or at least 25-year-old balsamic vinegar. And at the end of the 12 or 25 years, what you get is this: 100 milliliters of black gold and pure deliciousness. And the way you can tell the difference is because the 12-year has the lighter label, the 25-year, the golden label instead. And you'll notice that it's the same quantity of balsamic vinegar, but clearly the density of the 25-year-old is greater. And what you want to look for as a guarantee that what you are consuming is Aceto Balsamico Tradizionale di Modena, is the distinct bottle, which was designed by a famous Italian designer named Ruggiero, is the word Tradizionale that appears here on the label, and is this stamp, which is the DOP. It is the denomination of protected origin. All of these tell you that what you are consuming is the best of the best. I'm here with my friends Claudio and Aurora Biancardi, 6th and 7th generation balsamic vinegar producers. And now for the best part. I actually get to taste it. Mamma mia, che buono. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly. And folks, I wish you could all smell how great it smells in this room right now.